Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the earth beneath us? What if there exists a hole, seemingly bottomless, that defies all scientific understanding? Welcome to the enigma of Mel's Hole. Tucked away in the expanse of eastern Washington, a man named Mel Waters made an extraordinary discovery on his property. A hole, ordinary in appearance, but extraordinary in its depth. This wasn't a typical backyard find, as this hole seemed to have no bottom, a claim that would baffle scientists and capture the imagination of the world. Mel, intrigued by his discovery, decided to share his find with the world. He took to the airwaves on Art Bell's popular radio show, spinning a tale of a bottomless pit in his backyard. The story, as extraordinary as it was, sparked curiosity and fascination worldwide. People began to question, to wonder, and to theorize about this mysterious hole. Could it really be infinite? Or was there an explanation yet to be discovered? The intrigue surrounding Mel's Hole wasn't just about its seemingly infinite depth. Strange anomalies began to emerge, adding layers to the mystery. Tales spun around the hole, from altered laws of physics to inexplicable occurrences. It was as if the hole was not just a physical anomaly, but a rift in the very fabric of reality. As the mysteries of Mel's Hole continued to baffle the world, it was only a matter of time before technology would take a plunge into the unknown. The enigma of Mel's Hole did not go unnoticed by the authorities. The US military soon stepped in, sparking controversy and heightening the intrigue. But why, you may ask, would the military be interested in a seemingly bottomless hole on private property? That's a question that's stoked the fires of speculation and debate ever since. Mel Waters, the man who discovered the hole, was suddenly facing opposition from a force much larger than himself. The military's intervention was swift and decisive. They cordoned off Mel's property, effectively cutting off all access to the hole. This move was met with resistance, not just from Mel, but from curious onlookers and conspiracy theorists alike. The military's involvement led to a barrage of questions. Why were they so interested in a hole? Was there something more to Mel's discovery than met the eye? These questions birthed a myriad of theories, ranging from the plausible to the downright outlandish. Some suggested the hole was a secret military project, while others claimed it was a portal to another dimension. Adding fuel to the fire were the land disputes that followed. Mel's property was suddenly a hotbed of controversy, with claims of government cover-ups and illegal land seizures. Mel found himself thrust into a legal battle, his right to his own land under scrutiny. As the controversy swirled, it only served to heighten the intrigue surrounding Mel's Hole. The more the authorities tried to keep people away, the more determined they became to uncover the truth. Theories continued to multiply, debates raged on, and the mystery of Mel's Hole deepened. As the controversy grew, so did the determination to uncover the truth of Mel's Hole. In 2017, armed with modern technology, researchers embarked on an unprecedented exploration into Mel's Hole. This was no ordinary task. The team knew that they were venturing into the unknown, into a mystery that had confounded the world since Mel first spoke about it on Art Bell's podcast. The mission was clear: to penetrate the depths of this enigmatic hole and capture what lay within. The anticipation was palpable. The researchers, well aware of the hole's notoriety, prepared meticulously. Every detail was considered, every contingency planned for. This was a journey into the unknown, a descent into a hole that had captured the imagination of millions around the globe. The tool of choice for this daring exploration was a camera-equipped drone. This was not just any drone. It was a specially designed device, capable of descending into the deepest depths and withstanding the harshest conditions. It was equipped with a state-of-the-art camera, designed to capture high-definition images in low-light conditions. The drone was a testament to the power of modern technology, a tool that would hopefully shed light on the mystery of Mel's Hole. As the drone was prepared for its descent, the atmosphere was tense. This was a moment of truth, a moment that could potentially reveal the secrets of this mysterious hole. The drone was launched, and as it began its descent into Mel's Hole, the researchers could only watch and wait. As the drone descended into the abyss, the world held its breath, waiting for the unknown. What the drone captured as it ventured into Mel's Hole sent shockwaves around the world. As the drone descended further into the abyss, it illuminated a scene that was as eerie as it was inexplicable. There, in the depths of Mel's Hole, lay a lifeless sheep. But this was no ordinary sheep. It bore a colossal tumor, an abnormality that would have been chilling enough on its own. Yet, what was contained within this mass was even more unnerving. Enveloped within the tumor was a fetal seal, an unexpected discovery that defied all logical explanation. But the strangeness didn't stop there. The seal had human-like eyes, a feature that sent a shiver down the spines of those watching the drone's feed. It was as if the creature was looking back at them, its gaze piercing through the screen and into their very souls. These findings were not just unsettling, they were downright terrifying. They challenged our understanding of nature and biology, of what is possible and what is not. They forced us to question everything we thought we knew about this mysterious hole. Could it be a portal to another dimension? A gateway to the unknown? Or is it simply a natural phenomenon that we have yet to fully understand? The chilling nature of these discoveries sent ripples of fear and intrigue through the global community. Scientists, researchers, and curious individuals alike were left astounded, their minds teeming with theories and speculations. The images captured by the drone sparked countless debates and discussions, each more intense and heated than the last. As the world grappled with these disturbing findings, one thing became clear: Mel's Hole was not just a hole. It was a well of mysteries, a Pandora's box that, once opened, unleashed a torrent of questions and uncertainties. These terrifying discoveries only added fuel to the enigma of Mel's Hole, leaving us with more questions than answers. Mel's Hole, a mystery that continues to captivate and terrify us, remains an enigma. The recent drone exploration has only deepened the intrigue, revealing chilling sights such as a lifeless sheep with a colossal tumor containing a fetal seal with human-like eyes. Yet many questions linger. What else is hidden in the depths of this bottomless pit? Why did it garner the attention of the US military? As we continue to delve into the mysteries of the earth beneath us, one thing is certain: Mel's Hole will continue to intrigue, mystify, and terrify us for years to come.